Okay, 4.2, the real zeros of a polynomial function, part 1. All right, we're going to go over two theorems today. The remainder theorem, which says that if f is a polynomial function and is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is f of c. And the factor theorem, which says let f be a polynomial function, and if f of c equals 0, then x minus c is a factor of f, and the converse is true as well. If x minus c is a factor of f, then f of c equals 0. All right, so number 1, we have f of x equals 3x to the fourth minus 6x cubed minus 5x plus 10. And we have x minus 2 here to try out. In other words, is x minus 2 a factor of this polynomial? So basically, we're testing to see if 2 is a root. All right, if positive 2 is a root. So we're going to just off to the side say that 2 is a possible root. And remember, a root is the same as a possible 0 or x-intercept. Okay, so we're going to test this out here. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try this remainder theorem here. It's a nice little shortcut, actually. And by using the remainder theorem, we're going to be testing out f of 2, the possible root. Which means we're going to be plugging 2 into the polynomial, right? All right, so f of 2 equals 3 times 2 to the fourth minus 6 times 2 cubed minus 5 times 2 plus 10, all right? If we work this out, this is 3 times 16, right, minus 6 times 8 minus 10 plus 10. All right, so this is nice. These 10s go away. And here we're left with 3 times 16, that's 48, minus, and then 6 times 8 is also 48. So we discover that f of 2 equals 0, and this is our remainder. All right, according to the remainder theorem. So the remainder is 0, which means that by the factor theorem, x minus 2 is a factor of f, and 2 is a root of f. All right, so let's write that down. And we're going to do a little bit of abbreviating. And this is how I want your answers to look tonight. All right, nice full sentence, fully explaining what we found. Again, by the factor theorem, x minus 2 is a factor of f, and 2 is a root of f. Why is this? Because our remainder equaled 0. All right, let's go on to number 2.